Full body stretches with Leena Singh. First, head stretch. Touch your left ear with your right palm and stretch towards your right shoulder. Hold it for 10 seconds. Touch your right ear with your left hand and stretch towards left shoulder. Hold it for 10 seconds. Raise your hands, put your fingers below your chin and stretch towards your back. Hold it for 10 seconds. Raise your hand, put it on your back of the head and push towards your chest. Hold it for 10 seconds. Second, arm stretch. Raise your right hand off the level of your shoulder. Using your other hand, push that arm into your body to feel more of a stretch. Hold it for 10 seconds. Hold it for 10 seconds. Put your left palm back of the right shoulder. Place your right hand on the left elbow and stretch towards your right shoulder. Hold it for 10 seconds. Put your right palm back of the left shoulder. Place your left hand on the right elbow and stretch your left shoulder. Hold it for 10 seconds. Third, leg stretch. Stand straight. Lift your right leg towards your chest and grab with your hand. Stretch towards your chest. Hold it for 10 seconds. Repeat the same with the other leg. Lift your right leg backwards, grab with your hand and stretch towards your butt. Hold it for 10 seconds. Repeat the same with the other leg. Fourth, waist stretch. Stand straight. Put your hand back of your head, bend down from your wrist and legs should be straight. Hold it for 10 seconds.